I decided on this thunderhead that it just didn't have enough color in it. So I began to scumble in over the top of this dry cloud some white, cad red light, and cad orange, a real pale pink. I want to create a bit more of a warm glow and offset some of the cold white. I felt like it needed more life in it. Often I'll revisit paintings after they've dried and bring up color in them. And I'm grabbing a little more of a pink tone with some cad red light and a touch of alizarin and really just lightly scumbling into this. I'm using a soft rosemary brush and bringing some color into this, just livening it up a little bit. Don't hesitate to go back over a painting and see what you can do to enhance it. If everything is dry underneath, it's an easy chore, because if you don't like what you did, you can always wipe it off. But this is just a short clip of showing how I went back in and added more color, bringing some warm glow into the bottom side of this thunderhead. Touch more down in the base, warming it up, bringing a little more excitement to it. I'm not glazing, but I'm scumbling. There's no medium added to this paint. Kind of sneaking up on it. I'm adding some white and Sevres blue, which you could use a cerulean blue. It's a Williamsburg paint that I enjoy. And then I'll come back with some lighter values and some more blues and work that in just a little bit more. You can see me coming back up with a little blue, just softening all these together, all these mixtures, till I get that desired look. Warming things up. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.